Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Soul Finder. Tonight, I'm right by the A1M again, but in a different area. This is called Ermine Street, and it's right near the recycling centre, which is just over that way. The reason why I'm here tonight is because when I drove here, because I was bringing some rubbish, I noticed some flowers on the fence across the road there, and I thought that sounds interesting, or feels interesting. So here I am now. It's nigh on midnight. The road is absolutely dead, quiet, dark, no street lights, but behind the camera there you have the A1M with traffic still going up and down. What I'm going to do is walk around with normal camera and a torch just to show you the basic area, and then we'll come back to the car and we'll fire up some apps, being just across the road from the flowers and where the accident was, or accidents. There was 3 here. Now I do have them on my phone. I shall read out the names and see what we can get through the apps. Oh, and just typical, there's a car coming. Now I've just been here for 20 minutes trying to set things up. I bought one of them new phone holders. I can't remember the name of it offhand, the one that swivels and keeps balance, and it just kept tilting to, down all the time. So I think there's a setting wrong somewhere. So 3 separate motorbike accidents on this stretch of road. One of them, the person was caught. He was driving a Porsche 911. The other 2, to this day I believe, are unsolved. So I shall flip you around and then I'll walk around with a torch, and then I'll come back to the car and I will read out the names and what happened, etc. Anyway, before I freeze to death, I'm going to flip you around now and see what we can capture on camera. See you in a while.
The new calling.
Okay guys, as you can see, I'm parked half on the verge, half on the road, so I'm hoping no cars come along here. It is a 60-mile-an-hour road, as you can see, for miles and miles. Literally nothing. And this is where all the separate bunches of flowers are stacked near the fence, or on the fence. And it looks like they've been there a while. Now if I remember rightly, it was 2025, and I think there was one in 2023. See, they're recent. Now I don't do this out of disrespect. As you know, I attempt communication with any souls that may still be here. So let us begin. Souls or spirits, my name is Paul. I am who I am. I am the Soul Finder. I go around attempting communication with souls, spirits that may wish to speak, that may need help. I use applications through mobile phones that you could possibly try and communicate through. I come with respect, with love in my heart, and I want you to come forward and talk to me. If this is at all possible, please come forward if you are here. If there are any other souls that weren't involved in these accidents and you possibly need help, perhaps something happened to you far in the past, you are also welcome to come forward. I believe in our Creator, Yahuwah. Since the year 2020, I have awoken to all the lies and the deceit going on from our governments, our controlling powers. I seek truth. I seek answers to our past. I also pray to help souls. If you'd like to speak into my device that I'm recording with, it should be able to hear you. I have a high-pitched whistling noise in my left ear, and occasionally I can hear you myself. Suddenly, guys, the temperature has dropped dramatically. Souls of the land. I mean you no disrespect or malice. I welcome you to come forward to communicate with me. I will remain quiet for a few seconds and allow you to come forward and say something. Okay, I'm going to go back to my car now, and then I'm going to start up some apps that you may be able to speak through, that you can manipulate. Okay guys, let me pause you in a second, and then I shall set the camera up on me. I may even put a dual camera on so you can see across the road as well. Be right back. Okay guys, right, I'm all set up. The inquest opened into death of motorcyclist in Alconbury Hill, which is connecting road to this one. I'm not sure if it's that way or that way. But what's going on here? My phone's going wrong. Rachel Stilwell died on June 18th while travelling on her motorcycle, Alconbury Hill. That's the first one. Second one I got off of Facebook. This is a motorcyclist, and it was a 33-year-old woman. That's strange. There's no name on this one. That's unusual. And the third one, this is a male, Christopher Millard. No age or nothing, but he looked young. I think he's in his 30s or something. But all strange how they're all on motorcycles. One of them was hit by a Porsche 911. I think the inquest is still going on now. But the other two, I may have to try and find out, see what I can find out, and put it on the screen for you. Anyway, I'm going to fire up some apps now. Let's put GhostTube on my phone. This is my main contract phone, so this one's...
Look over there.
This one's online. Look over where? The guys, keep an eye on the cameras, because you know there is literally nobody here but me. That is a GhostTube running on my contract phone. Now these two have no SIMs in them. And I'm going to use, let's try Deadbox on this one. It said few.
Young.
Yes, I know you was young. Such a waste of life.
Mummy.
Money? Was it over money? Was you being chased?
Pennies.
Pennies. So you was killed over money?
Find.
Find. What, the money?
I want to stay.
Well, you're welcome to stay.
Mason.
You're welcome to stay and talk. My name is Paul.
Feed.
Feed. Let me see if I can turn that sound off because it's annoying. I can't turn it off.
Jen.
Jen. I keep sensing something over there. Spend. It keeps coming up about money in there.
Device.
Yes, I'm using a device. I'm using two of them.
It's difficult.
Yes, I know, but you have to try.
Jammed.
Jammed. Was you jammed between your bike and the car? Or the fence?
Kept.
See, I know one of them was found actually in the field. That's why they've replaced all the fencing. Let's turn that one off because it's annoying. What I'll do is I'll put on some GhostTube on this one as well, so we'll have two GhostTubes running. I tried that the other day and I didn't get hardly anything through it. Whether that's because the area I was in, I don't know.
Unquestionably.
Okay. I call upon the three people that died on motorcycles along this road. I am the soul finder. I go around attempting communication with anyone that needs help or just to talk. When I pray, if you wish to stay, that is entirely down to you. But I would ask that you do ascend. You must call your families. They will come and collect you.
I hear you.
Okay, that's good. Can I hear you? I can't see anything to the left or right because of this light in front of me. I put like a light shining that way on the fence. As you know, guys, this is a brand new area for me, so I'm still looking up stories. Cambridge itself has literally hundreds of places to investigate, but being such a busy city, town, whatever they call it, it's going to be very difficult.
Can I try?
Yes, you can. It's going to be very difficult to cover certain areas, like in Brighton and Hove. I couldn't cover like the city centres or anything like that.
Why did you come?
Because I attempt to help souls to get their story out, and then I pray to our Creator to help you.
Harm.
Harm. Do you mean harm upon me? Are you evil?
What do you think?
I'm not sure. I can feel sometimes, but I can't decipher what I'm feeling. I am still learning myself. I was awoken in 2020.
I'm eternal.
Yes, I know you are. I think we all are when we die. We move on to something better. Seems like something's trying to affect my throat. Are you a powerful soul? Have you been here a long time?
Unquestionably.
Okay. I'm not sure if that's on the motorway or if that's coming up here. I have the protection of our Creator, Yahuwah. Yahusha.
Unquestionably.
Yes, Yahusha meaning salvation. He's coming up here with his full beam on. I'm hoping he sees me. If not, my car's going to be a mess. Souls, I don't want to call you by name. I want you to speak it yourself. As I said, my name is Paul. All along this road, like scattered, there are different warehouses and all sorts. And right down the bottom there is a garage and a hotel.
Mark.
Mark. Hi, Mark. It's nice to meet you. Did something happen to you along this road?
Doctor.
Was you a doctor? Do you have any messages for family? Yeah, so anyway, that Pace petrol garage down there, behind it, it's got like a really creepy looking hotel. So I may cover that one night, book a night in there or something, because it looks very old. So it's got to have some story behind it.
Mark.
Mark, again. Okay, Mark. Got me interested. Would you like to talk to me? Or is it one of the spirits calling the name Mark? Was he one of your partners? Was he a loved one to you? Was he a driver of one of the vehicles? You know when you get the feeling like someone's right in your face, right here. Because I can't see a bloody thing that way, it's just complete blackness. Ooh. You just speak.
Closer. Leaving.
Why are you leaving?
I'm not sure.
Was that you that just spoke into my ear? I'm sure you said my name. One of the women on the motorcycle ended up in the bushes. I don't know how long it was before she was discovered. But even during the day, I came up here, and the road is like completely dead. It's like one car every 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes. But coming in from the other end, I noticed they're all coming into the recycling centre. So this way to near where I live, I mean, I have to explain where I live.
Rosary beads.
Rosary beads. I think there's some hanging on the fence over there. Yeah, where I live it's like a brand new housing estate, and it's right next to the well, not right next to, but not far from the A1M. So it's like you can go that way or that way from the motorway, because the motorway's there, sort of thing. So
Drawing.
There's another car coming, guys. What was I saying about no vehicles? You must all know I'm out filming. So anyway, let's continue. If you would like to carry on using them devices to communicate, or I can switch something else on. It will be an app that makes phonetic sounds, and you can turn them sounds into words or sentences. Would you like that? Would you be able to manipulate it? I would really, really want to hear your voices, for you to tell your story. Mark, if you're here, and you're the one that's very powerful, maybe you could bang the fence across the road to let me know that you're there. I couldn't believe it. Another car coming.
Perfect.
Perfect, yeah. I'll let this car go, guys, and then I'll fire up the axe. What I'll do is I'll put I'm going to try that app that I haven't used for a long time. It's called Transcend. and then I'll switch over and put necrophonic on, and that's when I'll say a prayer for them. But this is their opportunity basically to get their story across, which is my main goal. Souls, if you can hear me now, when I turn this on, it's very quiet. It's listening for what you're going to say. I'm hoping that it will repeat what you say. Do not be fearful. Come forward. Right guys, I'm going to switch it on now and put it right there.
Braun ins letztes Reposen.
Let's check the settings. Let's put it on high.
Ihr bist ein Jair Rafis.
Lucky.
Lucky. Don't feel
Brand Naren Ogni.
done.
Suit me on Denirai.
Can you speak English?
And experience.
Am I dead?
Yes, I'm afraid so. Just and experience. Did that catch the end of your sentence? Another car coming. I don't believe it. Actually, it looks like a huge lorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's hope he sees me before he gets too close.
You.
Me.
Shovel.
Shovel. No, I'm not digging anywhere. Is there somebody buried up here? I just heard that. It sounds like a woman's
Tight
voice.
flask.
I don't believe it. There's another one coming. This looks like a motorbike.
Horror.
Horror. Oh. It is on your own.
You rave.
Please stop.
Please stop what? I haven't done anything. I'm seeking the 3 people that had an accident here, that lost their lives. Please talk to me. This what?
Library. Planchette.
Do you have any messages for your families? I keep seeing like a glimmer of light going across the top of the car.
Priya have.
I don't know if that's my eyes. Mark, are you here? Or Jen?
Hole.
Did you just say my name? Can you say Soul Finder?
Keys.
keys. Did you lose your keys?
Sun and moon.
Me.
Me. You lost your keys.
Intuitions.
Yes. I know that I'm attracting attention here, aren't I? Some are inquisitive.
Behind you.
Yes, I know. Who is it behind me? Is this Mark or Jen?
On.
I know there's a lot of traffic noise. I do believe spirits sometimes use noise to
Entfernen.
Looking for me.
get their message across. So if you hear like a high ambience, it sounds like almost it's coming from the sky. I mean, there is that thing in the Bible that says that we live under a dome. so
Library.
it's twice it said library.
The grave.
2.
2. I'm getting something here. Is there somebody buried around here? Undiscovered? Another car coming down, this one from that way.
Slide.
Slide. Is your body buried behind me? Somebody here? Anyway guys, before I run out of time on my camera, which it did last time, it cut off, I'm going to switch over to some necrophonic.
FCH.
I'll switch over to some necrophonic, listen to that for a bit, and then I shall
Harm.
pray.
Logical.
Very logical. There's a car coming, would you believe it? Now let's boot up necrophonic. Do you think I'm on some sort of, I'm giving out some sort of signal?
Pendant.
And they see me out and they think, oh, let's go out and join him, you know, let's interrupt his video. So that's just me being sarcastic. Right, necrophonic is ready. Any and all souls, I ask that you come forward now and use this device that I'm about to switch on. It makes phonetic sounds, and you can turn them sounds into words or sentences. Now I know that you can do this because I've heard you speak before.
Beside.
I've heard my mum speak through this device. You're beside me. Okay guys, when I turn this on, you can slow it down on YouTube settings and listen for yourself, see if you can decipher anything.
Possessed.
And then type it down below.
Younger.
Anyway, let's get this switched on. Mark or Jen? Are you here?
Higher.
As in up there.
Sad.
Please come forward. Can you say motorbike?
I'm confused.
Do you know what happened to you? Who was the woman that was found in the bushes? Oh, sounds like wolves.
I can't say.
Sounds like shoes.
Where are you?
I'm right beside my car.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Not even close. Mansion.
I'm literally across the road from where the flowers are. So I'm assuming that you died here. Well, I don't know if I've given you long enough, but I'm going to pray here.
What do you want?
To help you to ascend.
Fast.
Fast, okay. Right guys, before I start, I'm going to pause you here and restart because it's coming to 30 minutes. I want you to come forward now.
Go back.
I need you to trust and believe that you can ascend from here. That you believe in our Creator, Yahuwah. I need you to trust me.
Back off.
It sounds like the ghost tube for having an argument. I call upon our Creator in heaven, and I ask that He help any and all souls that may be lost, stuck,
Ralph.
or being held against their will. I don't know how they lived or died,
Home.
but I ask you, Yahusha, for salvation for these souls, to help them to ascend to unity, to heaven, to be with their families, their loved ones, to be out of darkness and misery, and in peace and light. I ask you, Yahuwah, to lay your hand upon this land, to repel the evil from here, never to return. To also help these souls to find their way to their families. Amen.
Finish.
Very good. Now souls, I ask that you come forward and call your families. They will come and collect you. Do not be stuck here.
It's unknown.
Barak Yahuwah.
What are you doing?
I'm giving you peace. Now ascend from here. Yahoo, I'll be with you. There's another car coming, guys. Wait for him to go. Okay guys, I do believe I'm done with this one. Why I do these things I will never know. It is literally terrifying by yourself. So I wish to give a shout out to Al and Leah. They've been going through a tough time at the moment. Al's just had an operation. They're also having bad weather in New York because of really bad snow, so they've not been out filming. I send prayers to them to help them to find solutions, to find what's the word, to find what they're looking for,
Slow.
to basically be safe, look out for each other out there. I'd like to thank my boy as well and his family.
Come forward.
Because they helped me to relocate and settle into my new place.
Where are you?
My boy has helped me put all my home together, so I'm grateful for that. Anyway.
Kitchen.
I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. There are many more to come. I am starting work next Monday. The downside to it, they are 10 and 11 hour shifts. And it's a 45-hour week, which I won't be used to. So I'm going to try and work that out and then get some videos out on my days off. So saying that, be safe, look out for each other. With all this crap that's going on at the moment, let it go over your head, live your life, be
Uncertain.
happy. And I shall see you very soon, guys. Yahoo, I'll be with you.